You guys are in for a really special treat today. So I'm going to be showing you this £3.5 million Regents Park project, and it's a bespoke house with 3 apartments, and I've got 6 bathrooms here that are all unique and look absolutely smashing. So let's take a look. Off with the ground floor. This is a 3-bedroom apartment with 3 bathrooms, and this is the first of 3. Let me just go from the top to the bottom. Look at these tiles. These are super high-end tiles that were purchased from a company called Mandarin Stone, so check them out. And the same goes for the floor and the wall tiles here. I'm going to just zoom in a little bit. So these have got a little bit of a pebble effect on them, and then they have a super contrast with the orange. And then we've got a wall-mounted toilet, and these black fittings are just in keeping with the modern theme that we've got within this apartment. And this trimming here with the LED light, that's a nice little touch there. So that gives you an idea of the quality. And then we've got this basin, freestanding, which has got some cantilever poles to hook in, and it just slides in, and that's a really nice touch too. So that's bathroom number 1. Let me take you to bathroom number 2 in this apartment, just so it gives you an idea of the layout. So as we come down here, we've then got 2 bedrooms left and right, and then we've got a master family bathroom here. So this is a nice square shape. Those tiles are once again from Mandarin Stone. Do check them out, and very high-end and design. So normally on marble tiles, they're actually porcelain, but the grains are supposed to match, but this is literally like a piece of art. And the way that they're looking, it just looks stunning, and it's something that this location hasn't seen, and it will command a record price. And also I've got something really special for you in the forthcoming videos, which is the lights, the sink, the toilet, and most importantly the colour that we're going to be choosing on the walls here as well. That's going to completely set this bathroom alight, so stay tuned. Let me take you into bathroom 3. So we've got bedroom number 2 there, and then we're walking into bedroom number 3 here. Now as soon as we turn here, on the right hand side we're going to have some fitted wardrobes. And then in front of me, we're going to have a door. And then right over there, we're going to have a toilet. And then on the right-hand side, we've got a wet room being created. And then as we come through here, we're going to have a sink here. And just imagine, as you wash your hands, you can look into your bedroom, a courtyard, and an external study. And this is how the bathroom will be finished, with some really nice touches, which include fluted glass, a nice wood paneling, some metal, and it's just a mixture of materials that come together, and the tiles are just going to absolutely kick this off. So that gives you an idea of the ground floor flat. I'll see you upstairs on the first floor. Here we are on the first floor. Turning right here, and we're going to be entering the flat. On the right hand side we've got open plan kitchen and lounge, and then as we turn left we're going to be into the bedroom. That then leads us into a walk-in wardrobe, which is all bespoke and handmade, and finest of materials have been used. But what I'm really interested to show you is bathroom number 4. So once again, on this one here at the moment we've got the plain white, and then we've got some really nice tiles downstairs that were in green, and then the floors covered. However, the floor tiles are exactly the same as this. So once again, quality-wise, we've gone for the black finishes on this, just to give it a bit more of a modern feel. And we've got this nice recess for your shower. Soaps and shower creams. A really nice finish on these taps, and then this is all made to measure. Let me just turn it around from here just to show you the rest of the bathroom. We've got a nice towel rail there as well, and then we've got these tiles, which is once again Mandarin stone, so do check them out. It's not a pump for Mandarin stone, I'm just sharing where we get some of our supplies from, because it takes years to get these supplies sorted out. Oh, by the way, have a look at that. That's going to be a specially commissioned bespoke shoe storage, and just going to have a nice cushion on top to sit opposite the fitted wardrobes. Fitted wardrobes, look at this. As soon as we open the door, lights come on, all done with a nice oak finish, and quality is the key. Let me take you upstairs to the top 2 floors and bathrooms number 5 and 6. I'll see you up there. Top 2 floors is a masonette, and the first thing that strikes me as a buyer is this bold green colour. We're going to have some runners on these stairs, and then as we come up, straight in front of us we've got an open plan kitchen and lounge. I'm not going to be going in there, I'm just going to focus on the bathroom. So bathroom number 5 is a shower room. Let me take it from top to bottom. So once again, we've got the nice green walls, a green door, and we've selected some green tiles here with a nice recess, contrasting white pebbled effect. Look at that. And then if you look up there, you've got the nice LED quality on this here is stainless steel as opposed to the black. So we've just switched it up a bit in here. And then working our way down, we have got this really nice pebbled tiled finish. Once again, Mandarin stone on this, and then look at this detail here. There's no gap between the wood floor and the tiles. It's the same floor level. That's very hard to achieve, but based on our years of experience, it's something that you guys should try and follow. And then we've got a wall-mounted toilet and a basin on a pedestal, and a very simple glass with this really nice lighting here, which is similar to a actor's dressing room. So just to give it a nice little touch as well. Last bathroom, guys, are you ready? Let's go upstairs, top floor, and bathroom number 6. Oh, by the way, look at these handles. Super. Come into the top floor. The first thing that strikes me again is the colours. The wood floor is lovely, and then we've got this bespoke carpentry with this really nice matching wood panelling as well. Let's go into the last and final bathroom, which is bathroom number 6. And this is the main bathroom for this masonette. We've got a really nice light feature. Look at the texture on these tiles. You can almost feel it just by looking at it when you're actually on site. And then we've got a contrasting pebble floor tile, similar to downstairs, and exactly the same quality control finish. Is so important. So who's going to be buying this is going to be professionals, investment bankers that live in Hampstead, Belsize Park, Primrose Hill, that really understand design. Let me just turn this light on, just give me 1 second. And let's have a look at the recess again. This time with the light on. We've got a nice shower fitting there. Quality all the way, nice tactile tiles where you can feel them almost with a 3D effect. And then we've got our recess there for all of your shampoos and shower gels and so on, just to give it a clean finish. And then we've got our stainless steel fixtures and fittings as well coming out. There's the floor, and that's your view. Hopefully that gives you an idea of 6 bespoke bathrooms, and how small touches can make the biggest difference, and also the quality of the finish. That's so important. So stay tuned, follow the channel, share, like and subscribe, support me, and I'll continue supporting you. Monty Nawaz, Agent M, out.